Okay, we're gonna watch a video of volcanoes. Of course, this is the baby mouse. Wow, I just like to do this. Get in the view. So, put the right page. Okay. Shaggy plate. Where do cracks and vents in the earth come from? The land we live on is broken into pieces called plates. The plates fit Earth like a puzzle. They are always moving a few inches a year. When plates pull apart or smash together, watch out! An island is born. What happens when two plates pull apart? Wait, no, I mean apart. Wait, let me reread that. What happens when two plates pull apart? They make a giant crack in the earth. Magma can rise up through these cracks. This even happens underwater. Postcards from the ring. I love you. Miss you very much. Wishing you a great day. Having a hot time in the Andes. Okay. Not all volcanoes are the same. Wait, let me reread it. Not all volcanoes are the same. What kinds they are depends on how they erupt. The lava forms a shield volcano is hot and liquid. Rivers of water flow from the volcano vents. This lava flow creates a gently stopping volcano. Well, here are the pictures. Okay, thanks for watching. Oh yes, it's also with Baby Mouse. Say bye. Bye.